Welcome to the recorded demo video for the Pet Registration Management System for Citizen. This video will introduce you to the system's features and functionalities. Visit the official eGov portal to access the application. Click the Citizen Login option in the system interface to gain access to Citizen functions. After selecting the Citizen Login, the user will be redirected to the ePramar sign-in page. Enter your user ID and password in the appropriate fields provided, tick the I consent to Meri Pehchan checkbox, and then click on the sign-in option. Proceed by selecting the pet registration module from the list of available choices. After selecting the module, the dashboard will appear. To apply for pet registration, simply select the new registration option and follow the subsequent steps. Here, the user must fill in all the required details for the pet registration. The user has to first fill in the property details, such as the ULB, apply through, holding number, category of application, and ward number. Following this, the user will need to fill in the applicant's details such as name of applicant, mobile number, email ID, PAN number, and address. After entering the applicant's details, the user will need to fill in the pet details such as pet type, name of pet, gender, date of birth, breed, color, veterinary doctor's name, doctor's MSVC number, date of rabies vaccination, date of leptospirosis vaccination, and pet form. After completing all the required details, tick the checkbox and then click on Submit Application. Your application has been submitted successfully. A confirmation will be displayed with the application number and the option to upload documents and dashboard. Return to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard option. Navigate to the Upload Document option by selecting the application. Here, the user can upload the required documents by following the subsequent steps. To upload a pet photo, click on the Upload option. Select the document type and choose the image by clicking on the Browse File option. After selecting the image, click on the Submit button. A confirmation indicating that the document has been uploaded successfully will be displayed. Similarly, the user will upload the leptospirosis vaccination certificate and rabies vaccination certificate one by one. After uploading all the documents, proceed by selecting the Pay Now option for payment. Afterward, the user will be shown the application number with payable amount and the option for making payment. To proceed with the payment, click on the Pay Now option. Various payment methods will be displayed. After successful payment, the payment completed confirmation page will be displayed. Here, the user can view the pet registration receipt by selecting the Print Receipt option. Go back to the home page and navigate to the View Application option by selecting the application. Here, the user can check the complete details of the application. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Please do like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our latest videos.